The start of RIMAN remains vivid in my memory. For me, it all began one late night after work. I walked into my daughter's room and she was already fast asleep. I paused at the doorway, watching her face glow under the moonlight. Her little cheeks were full and radiant, glowing with light, youth, promise. And in that still moment, I couldn't help but wonder, why do we lose that glow as we grow older? That question stayed with me for decades. It became the thesis of my life. And RIMAN became the platform through which I've sought to answer it. A journey that has grown into the largest K-beauty company in direct sales today.
Founded in 2018 in South Korea, RIMAN has quickly emerged as a global leader in K-beauty, with products designed to help you uncover your glow and keep it. From skincare to makeup through ICD, to body and hair care through Boda Lab, and nutrition with Lifening. Each formula is rooted in the timeless rituals of Korean beauty, carrying forward the heritage and wisdom of centuries past, backed by more than 20 patents, 52 awards, and billions in sales. RIMAN is now shared by a community of hundreds of thousands around the world. At the heart of it all is our continued commitment to reimagine products and opportunities that empower people to become the difference they seek in their world.
I began studying everything about skin aging, elasticity, and resilience. That's when I discovered Centella asiatica, one of the most researched plants in skincare. Studies show that it could strengthen the skin barrier, reduce fine lines, improve hyperpigmentation, and retain water. Legend says tigers would roll in it to heal their wounds. That's why it's often called tiger grass. So, we reimagined it, creating a stronger, more resilient strain. Our discovery became Giant BYoungPool. Today, it's officially registered as a new plant variety in both South Korea and the USDA, and we grow it here on Jeju Island.
Jeju Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, shaped by fire and softened by time. Its volcanic soil and pure waters make it the perfect home for Giant BYoungPool. Yet its shifting seasons demanded innovation. That's why we built RIMAN Farm, ensuring year-round growth and consistency. RIMAN Farm spans more than 160,000 square feet, home to the world's first smart farm dedicated to Centella cultivation. Here, precision horticulture controls every element: light, humidity, nutrients, ensuring each plant grows with consistent potency and purity, 365 days a year. Through vertical integration, RIMAN guarantees the same standard of care in every batch.
To me, vertical integration isn't just about control. It's about honoring our promise, because true respect for our customers means delivering the same quality and care from seed to serum to skin.
Beneath the same volcanic soil that nourishes Giant BYoungPool lies another treasure, a lava aquifer naturally filtered through basalt rock for centuries, rich in minerals, untouched by pollution, and endlessly renewing itself. This is Jeju Lava Energy Water.
About 70% of our planet is water, and nearly 70% of the human body is too. And because most skincare formulas begin with water, the quality of that water matters. That's why we use Jeju lava energy water. Naturally filtered for centuries, infused with minerals that hydrate, soothe, and support the skin, it's very different from using distilled water. It's living water, balanced, mineral-rich, and full of life. Because when you start with better water, you create better skincare.
From the same island's earth and water, RIMAN crafts skincare that honors nature's wisdom, transforming purity into power and science into glow. At RIMAN, nature is our foundation, and science is how we unlock its full potential. Inside L.E.G.A.C.Y, our global research center, every ingredient we harvest, from Jeju lava energy water to Giant BYoungPool, is studied, refined, and optimized to deliver visible results and lasting radiance. Through rigorous testing and over 20 global patents, RIMAN transforms nature's raw gifts into high-performance actives like lava BYoungPool water, a fusion of Jeju's volcanic minerals and RIMAN's heritage plant.
We believe nature gives us the answers, but it's through science that we learn how to listen. At Ask Labs, we combine purity and innovation to ensure every formula isn't just effective, but transformative. Because if RIMAN makes it, it's made different. RIMAN Village was a dream long before it was built. I wanted a place where our community could come together to rest, reflect, and experience what makes RIMAN different. Because people don't just want to hear our story, they want to feel it.
Within RIMAN Village, every space tells a story. The Lava BYoungPool Spa draws from mineral-rich Jeju lava energy water, a place of renewal and calm. Villas are designed as living brand experiences where rituals unfold naturally through every detail.
It's more than a destination. It's a celebration of everyone who believed in this journey. From seed to science to experience, every part of RIMAN was built to honor one question: how do we awaken the glow within and let it shine so bright it redefines not only our skin, but the world around us? Through the purity of Jeju, the innovation of Ask Labs, and our community, we're discovering that answer and continuing to shape it every day. That night, watching my daughter's face in the moonlight, I saw a light that was pure, alive, and full of promise. And our work would be to help people see that same light.
That is what RIMAN stands for. That is what it means to be made different. Rooted in nature, perfected through science, celebrated through community. This is RIMAN. Experience the difference. A difference you'll love.